Good morning. So today we are going to be working on adding and subtracting whole numbers. So your learning target is going to be I can accurately add and subtract multi-digit whole numbers. And your success criteria is I will know I am successful when I know how to use and explain how to do arithmetic with multi-digit numbers. Okay, so let's go over here to our whiteboard. We have a few problems that we're going to do. We're going to do it the same way we've been doing. I'm going to do one, then you're going to pause your video and do it yourself, and then we'll go over it together. Okay, so the first thing when I'm adding multi-digit whole numbers, I want to make sure that my numbers are lined up using place values. So I want to make sure my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s are all lined up with the other numbers, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. So the first thing I'm going to do 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then I'll do 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So my answer is 57,435. Okay? Now this is the one I want you to do by yourself. So you pause your video and then work through it, and then whenever you're done, unpause it and we'll go through it together, okay? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure our numbers are lined up by place value. So I have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. First of all, I like to put my biggest number on top just so, because when we go to subtraction, that's what you need to do. So just go ahead and get in the habit of doing that. And then I need to make sure, okay, my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So my 132 needs to go right here. It does not need to go lined up with that 5 because I don't have a number in the thousands placed down here. Okay, so then we start. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then we bring down the 5. So our answer is 5,253. Okay, now we're going to go to subtraction. So we have 71,926 minus 69,875. We need to make sure that the biggest number is on top when we're subtracting. And then we also need to make sure that our place value is lined up. And then we begin to subtract. So we have 6 minus 5, which is 1. And then we have 2 minus 7, which we cannot do that. So we have to go up here from that 9, borrow from it. It becomes an 8. Make this 2 a 12. And then we do 12 minus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Then we have 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 9. We can't do that, so we have to borrow from the 7. The 7 becomes a 6. The 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 9, 2. And then 6 minus 6 is 0, so we don't need to bring a 0 down right here. We just need to add our comma. So we say ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Okay? So our answer is 2,051. And then over here, you're going to do this one by yourself. So go ahead and pause your video. Work this one out, and then when you're done, unpause it and we'll go through it together. Okay, so the first thing we have is 9 minus 7. So we can actually do 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9, 0. Then we have 2 minus 5. We cannot do that. So we have to come to the 1, borrow from him. He becomes a 0. And then this 2 becomes a 12. So now we have 12 minus 5. So we have 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So our answer is 702. Okay, so you have an assignment on your Google Classroom, and you let me know if you need any help, okay? Have a great day.